Are you going to the
Are you
meeting
going to
tonight,
the
Jeff?
meeting tonight then?
Which
meeting?
The student
The
council
student
meeting.
council meeting.
Oh, the open meeting?
Oh, the open
one where
meeting?
any students can attend?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that meeting.
that meeting.
I don't think I'm going.
Why not? Didn't you want to take part in the
So,
discussion
in the
about the
discussion
exam
about the
schedule?
exam schedule,
I'm happy with the
I'm
exam
happy with
schedule
this
as it
schedule
is.
as it is.
I like having a
having a
six-day
6-day
final
final
exam
exam
schedule.
schedule.
But that's why you
But
need to
that's
go
why
to the
you needed to
meeting.
go to the meeting.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Well, the
Well,
student
the
council's
student
holding an
council
open
holding
meeting to
an open
discuss
meeting to
changing the
discuss
final
changing
exam
the final
schedule,
exam
and a
schedule,
lot
and
of
a lot of
students want
students
to
want
change the
to change the
schedule.
schedule.
I think a lot
I
of
think a
students who
lot
want
of
to change
students
the
who
exam
want to the
schedule
exam
will be
schedule
at the
will
open
be at
meeting
the
this
open
evening.
meeting this
You
evening.
mean if I
You
want the
mean if
final
I
exam
wanted the
schedule
final
to stay
schedule
just
to
like
stay
it
just
is,
like
then
it
I need
is,
to
then
go
I
to the
need to
meeting
go
to
to the
support
meeting
the
to
idea of
support the
keeping
idea
the
of keeping
schedule
the
just like
schedule
it is?
just like
That's
it is.
right.
That's
That's
right.
why I'm going.
That's why I'm going.
You mean you don't want
You
the
mean you
schedule
don't
to
want
change?
the schedule
No
to
way.
change? No way.
You know how they're
How they're
considering
considering
changing the
changing the schedule?
They want to
They
shorten it a
want to
little bit,
shorten
don't they?
it.
They want to
They
shorten
want
it a
to
lot.
shorten it a lot.
They want to cut it
They
in
want to
half.
cut it in half.
You mean they
You
want to
mean they
reduce
want
the
to
final
reduce the
exam
final
schedule
exam
from
schedule
6
from
days
6
to
days
3
to
days?
3 days?
That's right.
That's right.
But I have 5
But I
final
have five
exams.
final
If my
exams.
5
If my
exams are
5
spread out
exams
over
are
6
spread
days,
out
then
over
I'll be
6
okay.
days, then I'll
But
be
if I
okay.
have
But
5
if I have
exams
5
in
exams
3
in 3
days,
days,
I'm going to have a
I'm
really hard
going
time.
to have a really hard time. Me
I
too.
have
I
five
have
final
5
exams
exams
too.
too.
But why would
Well, why
anyone
would
want to
anyone
reduce the
want to
exam
reduce the
schedule from
exam
6 to
schedule
3
for
days?
6
So
to
that
3
summer
days? So
vacation
that
will
summer
start 3
vacation will
days
start
earlier.
3 days
But it would make the final exam schedule really horrible.
really
That's
horrible.
why we need
That's
to
why
go to that
we
meeting
need to the
tonight
meeting
to
tonight
try and
to
keep the
try and
exam
keep the
schedule
exam
just like
schedule
it
just
is.
like it is.
Okay,
Okay, you
me.
convinced
I'll be
me.
there.
I'll be
So
there.
will I.
So will I.
Yes, Sean.
Yes,
What
Sean.
can I do
What
for
can I
you?
do for you?
Do you have a
Do
question?
you have a question?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Then come on in
Then come
and
on
take a seat.
in and take a seat.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your question?
What's your question?
I'm working on
I'm
planning
working
my
on
schedule
planning
for
my
next quarter,
schedule for next
and I'm
quarter,
trying
and
to
I'm
decide
trying to
which
decide which
biology
biology
class
class
to take.
to take.
There seem to be
There
two
seem
that
to
are
be
quite
two
similar.
that are quite similar.
Which two
Which two
courses are you
considering?
Well, one is
One is
Introduction to
Introduction to
Biological
Biological
Science, and the
Science, and the
other
other
is
is
Biology
Biology
101.
101.
I thought that a
And so
101
that
numbered
the
course was a
101 number
beginning
course
course,
was a
so
beginning course, so
Biology
Biology
101
101
should be
should
an
be an
introductory level course.
course.
But then
But then
Introduction to
Introduction
Biological Science
to
also seems
Biological
to be an
Science also
introductory level
seems to be
course.
an introductory
Well,
level
there's a
course. Well,
difference between
there's
the
a difference
courses.
between the courses.
Introduction to
Introduction
Biological
to
Science is
Biological
an
Science is an
overview of
overview of
biology in a more
biology in a
general
more
way.
general way.
And
And
Biology
Biology
101
101
is a
is a more
more
detailed
detailed
and
and
scientific
scientific
view
view
of the material.
I'm sorry,
I'm sorry,
but I
but I
don't
don't
quite
quite
understand
understand
the
the
difference.
difference.
Well, a clear example of the
example of
difference
the
is the fact
difference
that
is
there's
the
work
fact
in the
that
lab
there's work
as
in the
part of
lab as part of
Biology
Biology
101.
101.
But there's no
But
lab
there's
work
no
in
lab work
Introduction
in
to
Introduction
Biological
to
Science.
Biological Science.
Introduction to Biological
Introduction to
Science
Biological
is a
Science is a
lecture
lecture
class,
course,
while
while
Biology
Biology
101
101
includes
includes
both
both
lecture and lab.
lecture and lab.
You mean that
You
in
mean that
Introduction
in
to
Introduction
Biological
to
Science,
Biological
the
Science, the
students
students
read
read
about
about
science,
science,
and in
and
Biology
in Biology
101,
101,
the students
the
actually
student
take part in
actually take
science
part in
experiments
science
in the lab.
experiments in the lab.
You can put it that way.
You
It
could
seems
put
like
it that
Biology
way.
101
It
is a
seems
lot
that
more
101
work than
is a lot
Introduction
more
to Biological Science,
biological
with
science
lab
is
work.
lab
It
work.
certainly is.
It certainly
That's why
is. That's why
Biology
Biology
101
101
is a
is a
4-unit
4-unit
course,
course,
and
and
Introduction to
Introduction to
Biological
Biological
Science
Science
is
is
only a
only a
3-unit
3-unit
course.
course.
Listen,
There's
there's
another
another
really
really important difference between
difference
these two
between
courses,
two
and
courses,
it has to
and
do
it
with
has
what
to
your
do
major
with
is.
your major
What is your
What
major,
is
by the way?
your major, by the way?
I'm not actually
I'm not
sure
actually
yet.
sure yet.
Is that a problem?
Is that a problem?
You're a freshman, aren't you?
You're a freshman,
You're
aren't
in
you?
your first year?
You're in your
Yes,
first
I am.
year? Yes, I am.
Okay, so you
Okay, so
actually
you
don't
actually
need to
don't need
declare
to
your
declare
major
your
until
major
the end
until
of
the
your
end of
second
your
year.
second year.
But
But
you would be better
you
off
would be
making
better off making the certain decision a bit earlier than that. And right now, you're making one of them.
One
One
really important
difference between Biology 101 and Introduction to Biological Science has to do with majors. Biology 101 is required for students who are majoring in science, while introduction to biological science satisfies a general education requirement in science for students who are majoring in science outside of science.
I know you haven't
decided on your major, but have you last decided whether you will be majoring in some area within science or in outside of science? No, I haven't even gotten that far in deciding on major. I may want to major in science or maybe not.
Okay, well,
What I can suggest to you is that you really should start narrowing down your choice for a major area of studies. Perhaps if that you're considering a major in science, you should take Biology 101 as a way of helping you to decide whether or not you're interested in studying science.
If I take
If I take Biology 101
and
and
decide
then
not to major in
decide not to
science,
major in science, will I still need to take Introduction to Biological Science after Biology 101 to satisfy the general education requirement in science?
No,
No, absolutely not.
If you take
If you take Biology
101,
101,
that
that also satisfies the general education requirement for non-science majors.
Okay,
That makes sense. It would be a good way to help me either to decide that I want to major in science or to find out that I really don't like science.
Yes, Sean.